Welcome back guys, JDog here at SeekaHost, and today we're going to be going through how you can add your Ionos domain to SeekaHost hosting. By this meaning that you can add your domain to our hosting to get loads of our brilliant free features such as a business email, free SSL, great customer service and easy hosting setup. So let's get started first with SeekaHost. Now if you come over to seekahost.app, you can make yourself a completely free account. It'll literally take you only a few minutes to create, then hit create account and you can log into your SeekaHost dashboard. From here we've got an easy management system where you can manage your PBM blogs, WordPress sites, you've got tracking sites and domains all in one easy place. So what we're going to do is we're going to be adding our domain from Ionos and we're going to be hosting it as a WordPress site here with SeekaHost. Simply click on WordPress sites and then we're going to go to the top right and hit click WordPress site. From here simply input your domain, so I've got the homeworkouts.com, you don't need to put the www. Just leave that, and then underneath enter in a blog title. Next up is going to prompt you to choose a hosting plan if you have chosen the hosting plan already. If you haven't, you can come check them out by coming over to the left side here on hosting plans and come down to WordPress hosting. Here you can check out if you want just enough for a starter package for one WordPress site, and it still comes with loads of great features in DDoS protection, malware scanning, daily backups, and if you've got more than one site, of course, you can then choose a larger package. Once you choose your plan, it will get added, so then when you do go to add your WordPress site, it will be there to choose. Once you've chosen your hosting package, if you wanted to choose it before, it will prompt you anyway. You can then select it from here. So I'm just going to select my hosting package and I'm going to go to add WordPress site. What it's going to do now is probably going to take around a minute or two just to connect them, and then we've only got a few more steps and we can connect our domain to our hosting, meaning that we can go ahead and start editing our website and people can start actually visiting it and landing on the website. This is going to be done using our name servers, and this is a very important part of connecting your domain to your hosting. They need to have matching name servers, so when somebody clicks the domain name or they search for it, it's going to take them to the site that you created. Perfect, so with that up and running now, we can come along to the action button here, and this is going to be where we actually get our name servers. As you can see here, we have name server 1 right here. Underneath it, we have name server 2. These two we need to input into our domain registration or where we've registered our domain, just so they know where to point to. Another note on here is just take note of your username and your password as well. You can do that by clicking the little eye and it will show you the password. I tend to put it somewhere so this will disappear once you add your SSL certificate. However, don't worry too much, you also get an email just to confirm it. So you will have an email on your email address with the username and password, just in case you forget about that and you activate the SSL and it goes. So next up, you want to log into your Ionos account. Of course, you can see here you got a domain and come to manage your domain. So manage the domain that you want to add to the hosting. Now from this page, what you want to do is come down to destination. At the moment it says domain not in use because it's not registered anywhere or it's not been hosted. So we're going to come down to use your domain, and then you're going to find the name server panel. Once you got that, simply click on name servers. As you can see, it comes as default and it's connected to the Ionos name servers. However, we want to change this so it's going over to SeekaHost to the website that we're going to build for it. So we're going to click use custom name servers, and here you have where you're going to input your servers. So if we come back to the SeekaHost page, we're going to grab our name server 1 and we're going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to be filling in that in name server 1. Now same thing with name server 2, we're just simply going to copy that, we're going to come back over and we're going to paste it in the name server 2 option. You don't need to do anything for name server 3 and 4, that's optional and you don't actually need it at the moment. So let's just go ahead and save. Perfect, so we've done that. Our custom name servers will be applied now. Unfortunately, it can take up to 48 hours. Usually from experience, it actually does go quite quickly, but it can take up to 48 hours. So don't stress if you're not able to connect to it straight away. Unfortunately, that's out of the SeekaHost control. That's got more to do with propagating name servers. However, once it is done, it will straight away be able to connect to SeekaHost. So with that, we've made all of the important connection between the domain and the hosting. So all that we need to do now is just activate our SSL certificate just to make sure that we're using a secure domain with a HTTPS rather than just HTTP, which means you'll also get the padlock, much like you can see right here. So let's just go ahead to SSL. Now I have got to warn you, if this doesn't work the first time, don't keep trying to do it. It can block you for up to 7 days. If it doesn't work, wait till the next day. Like it said, it can take up to 48 hours to propagate. So don't get too stressed that it's not working. Unfortunately, it can just take a while to propagate name servers. And again, it is out of our control. However, as soon as they are done, you can go ahead and add the SSL. In fact, one great way of actually checking is if you come back to your WordPress site info for this particular domain, you can come over to your Leaf DNS. Now, as you can see here, they have changed straight away. Our name servers have changed from NS1 and S2 SeekaHost controlroom.com, so they're changed already. So that's pretty good. Let's just close down this page. and we're going to go straight to SSL and try and activate our certificate. You're going to do this by simply clicking the button here. Now when you hit that button, you're going to get your SSL certificate activated. Usually takes around 30 minutes to activate, and you can now log on with HTTPS, which is a much more secure connection. As I was saying previously, the username and password will now disappear. However, you have got it on your emails if you still need it, and you're going to get a little preview of your site on the left. This will of course change as you update it and change it. You'll see the updated changes on here. You can also check your disk space, your subscriptions, and you can also create your free business email account using the SeekaHost hosting. So what we're going to do here is we'll quickly run through how to create an email account. So by clicking on emails here, you can create your own business email account. As you can see here, it's at thehomeworkouts.com, so we can simply choose a first bit to that. So I'm just going to put daily for daily at thehomeworkouts.com. You can then choose a password and then confirm your password, then simply hit create. You'll then get it down here on the bottom on your email account. Simply refresh. This literally takes a few seconds, and as you can see, you now have your business email as quickly as that. With your password, you can just hit the blue button to then log in with that information. Not only that, if you haven't actually got your domain yet and you are looking for somewhere to also get your domain, why not check out SeekaHost.app for that too? Not only have we got a huge sale with .com domains going for as little as $4.49. .online has got 86% off at £3.75, so it's looking great. Not only that, it's super quick and easy to find your domain. Simply search it in the search bar, and then it's going to show you your domain, if it's available, whether you can buy it, and also other alternatives as well underneath that you might like instead. Of course, if you want to check any of your information on Ionos just to make sure the name servers are correct when you go onto your domain, simply come over to name servers over here, and you're going to see that we now have our custom name servers which are pointed towards SeekaHost. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that's helped you host your domain here with SeekaHost. For any other help, feel free to contact our support, send us an email, or check out our Discord channel as well, where we can also help you out. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.